Future predictions can be tricky. Today, we settle the visual showdown, will versus going to. Imagine you are relaxed and drinking your colorful coffee, totally empty in your plans. Suddenly, the phone rings. At that exact moment, you decide to act and say, I will answer it. Use will for instant decisions made right now without a previous plan. Just remember, will is also your visual evidence. It shows they traveling away. Now imagine you're relaxed again, already looking at a colorful brochure, visualizing your summer. You are already packed, wearing your colorful sunglasses, ticket in hand. The decision was made last week. Use going to for prior plans. It's a roadmap you are already following into the future. So remember the showdown logic. Will for instant decisions, going to for completed plans. Practice makes perfect. Leave your future plans below and subscribe for more bite-sized, stress-free English tips.